So I finally got a snake. My local pet store is closing, and so I got this for a little cheaper. It's a baby Kenyan Zambo. It's under this stuff. It's okay, little guy. Yeah, it's okay. He's a little mad because, well, he's been in a box.
Oh, isn't it pretty?
There he is. It's just a normal Kenyan Samboa. So, here's his cage. It's an Exoterra, simple thing. It's got the sand substrate. You just watch him. Make sure you get him going under the sand. She'll probably do very fast. Oops, didn't mean to spook him.
Whoa. There he goes.
At the moment, I'm pretty sure he's just trying to get out. Which is impossible, but yeah.
There he goes.
But yeah, I'll show you more on him later on.